Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can make or create an invoice in Canva. So let's go to the browser first. Right here, Canva, and search it to Google. You can see here Canva page. Just log into your Canva account. If you don't have any account, you have to open an account first. So after opening an account, you will be see an interface like this. You can see here the searching bar. Just click here and search invoice and press enter from your keyboard. After pressing enter, a interface you can find many invoice templates, which is thousands of. Okay, so huge templates. Just choose one and start customizing. Like I'm choosing this one. If you want to customize this template, just click customize this template. Then if you are seeing like so small you cannot read what is this, just click on this and press Ctrl from your keyboard and up scroll from the mouse. It will be zoom like this, Ctrl plus up scroll. Okay, so if you want to edit a portion, you can edit every portion you want. See, I'm gonna show you how. Just double click on this and it will be like this. Backspace from your keyboard, it will be deleted, and add your thing you want to add. Here's the company name, you can add your company name too. Here's the address, cell phone number, you can add the cell phone number. Double click on this, single click, but choose this like we are copying how. Backspace from your keyboard, it will be removed, and press your number. Client address, same for this, choose this one, backspace from your keyboard, ignore this one. After that you can add your client address here, like I'm adding California, USA. Okay, so simple. So you can, if you want to change the color, like there's the green color, you can click on this, you can go to background color and you can change the color like you want to, any color you want to add, but green is suitable here, so making it like before. If you edit but mistake, so if you want to undo it, go to here and click on this, it will be undo. Then you can customize this quantity hours, double click, delete, and add your hours, unit price, double click, add your price, total, same, everything is same. Just double click and edit your things. Okay, page info, double click on this or single click and backspace, it will be delete like this, and you can add your things. After that, if you want to change this background color like this white, you can go to background color and you can change the background color like this. This will be like this, any color you can choose. Alright, if you want to add some elements here, like you want to add here a telephone icon, go to elements, right here telephone, and press enter. You will find many telephone icons. Just pick one, but this is so big, how you can make it small? Press your mouse here and you can do like this to make it small. Just press, and you can add here by dragging it from your mouse like this. Okay, alright, so after making your editing, you can you can download it in your computer by clicking on share button. You can see here download button. After clicking on download, this work will be downloaded in your computer. Then if you want to share this work with somebody, just click here and write the email address, @ full email address. After clicking on email address, you can click on sorry, after putting email address, you can click on send. After clicking on send, this work will send to that guy. So this is how you can make a invoice in Canva. Guys, if you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.